we're gonna go parrot farm in Chachoengsao. I need new show nothing. We still gotta wear them COVID masks to go and check it out. Look at the gold. Hey, we got them too. Oh my god! We're just chill. Oh, oh, you're so. Hey, look at the little baby. Wait. This little sheep is hungry. This one, and it's got a very beautiful. The mother. This one, the mother has two little cute babies. They're also hungry. Whoa, whoa! This one is hungry. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, yeah. Look at the strong hooves right here. They got some very strong hooves right here. I have no more food. So cute. So when you come to the parrot farm, they also... Oh, don't do that. Oh, look at the... Don't touch the little baby duckling. Don't be mean now. You can feed the swans. The little cute ducks are coming. Come on, ducks. You're really hungry, huh? Oh, so I get the shot, right? Not that aggressive creatures, they're very peaceful. See if we can get peaceful right now. I think. Oh, there's another one here. Stuck there? I don't even know if it's stuck. I mean, like, full little turtle. It's about 450 baht for macaw feeding with the. So, what is it again? But I think these are the average prices when you. Feeding the macaws. Children is 100. Give the food. Whoa, look at this million Thai baht bird right here. These are real expensive. Look at that. It's got like the iris. Oh, and it eats so gentle. Look at that. It's so... Man, I wish I had better lighting. Yeah, wait, just relax. Just relax. I know you're... Oh, you're so hungry. Oh my god, your nails. Oh. Oh, look at the sharp talons right there. The very sharp talons. And it's got a tongue. Look at the tongue. Look at it. Wait. Some birds over here. Are you hungry? Just don't go sharp with the... Very gentle. Oh, it's very gentle. It's eating. You want to snap it? You want to snap it? They're very beautiful, no? So this is the main attraction at the Macaw Park, which is this little bird here. It's very beautiful, and he knows how to take a photo of the camera. Are you hungry? Yes, I'm hungry. They're so beautiful. Oh, crackles. Crackles. Oh, ใจเย็น มีให้กิน อ๋อ มีให้กินทุกคนเลย อ๋อ ครับ อ๋อ ตัวนี้อิ่มแล้วใช่ไหมครับ อ๋อ อ๋อ This is very sharp. Oh. I guess we'll just feed this one. This one seems very hungry. They're very hungry, but you can feed them. Very nice. It's closest to the food, always gets the food. Look at that, it's beautiful. The talons. Big bird cage. And the first little feller here. Oh, you're so cute, you little pecker. He's curious. This one's cute. I highly recommend coming here, you know. You can get really up close and personal with these things. Can you say something? Can you say something? Aww. Oh, you're so curious. Whoa, all these birds are making sound everywhere. But it's very beautiful. You're a gray one. You're beautiful and gray. It's dancing, it's dancing. It's dancing. Bird farm, the everything farm, you can